Hello everyone, this is Rashmi from Cougar Immigration. Some very interesting and important measures were announced by IRCC. So for the last couple of days, there has been a rumor about IRCC potentially looking at a cap for international students, which today has become a reality. So moving forward, there will be a cap on the level of international students intake, which will be 360,000 students approved study applications for 2024, which basically means that it is a 35% drop approximately from last year, which is 2023. Now keep in mind that these caps do not apply to current study permit holders, study permit renewals, master's students or doctoral level students. This cap is also a temporary measure. It's not a permanent measure. It is a temporary measure for the next 2 years, so it will be reassessed in 2025. Another important thing to note would be that IRCC now requires an attestation letter with every study permit application moving forward from their respective province or territory. The second measure announced by IRCC is pertaining to the postgraduate work permit program eligibility for international students. So students that complete a program at a private institution as opposed to a public institution will no longer be eligible for the postgraduate work permit program. This applies to students that will pursue a program starting September and not the ones that are completing or in the midst of completing a program at a regular or a private institution at this time. IRCC has also announced that students that complete a master's program or other short graduate level programs will now be eligible for a 3-year postgraduate work permit as opposed to a lesser, PGWP validity. This is just to ensure that they have ample time to transition from a temporary resident to a permanent resident. So I think that's a great measure by IRCC. Third measure that IRCC announced is pertaining to spouses and dependents of international students. Unfortunately, moving forward, any student that completes a program other than master's or a doctoral level program will not be eligible to bring their spouses or dependents on dependent visas to Canada. And this applies to all the students that are currently in Canada or will be entering Canada starting now. Let us know what you think about these measures. These are some very, very strict as well as some important measures that Canada has taken in terms of international students. Let us know your thoughts. We'd be happy to know. We'd be interested to know what you think about these measures. If you have any questions, contact us at 519-800-2212 or email us at info@cougarimi.com and one of our team members will be happy to assist you. Thank you. Have a good day.